Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about SAP ABAP, copying internal tables. So when we read a record from an internal table with a header line, that record is moved from the table itself into the header line. It is then the header line that our program works with. The same applies while creating a new record. It is the header line with which you work with and from which the new record is sent to the table body itself. To copy the records, we can use a select statement to select all the records from the table, and then use the move statement that will move the records from the original table into the new internal table into the fields where the names correspond. The syntax for move statement: move table field to internal table field. So example, and the code produces the output. So the select loop fills each field one at a time, using the move statement to move the data from one table's field to the other. In the example, the move statements were used to move the contents of the customer's one table to the corresponding fields in the internal table. You can accomplish this action with just one line of code, and you can use the move corresponding statement. Move corresponding table name to internal table. It tells the system move the data from the fields of Z customers 1 to their corresponding fields in iTab 01. This code produces the output. This is made possible by the fact that both having matching field names. When making use of this statement, you need to make sure that both fields have matching data types and lengths, and it has been done here with the like statement previously. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP copying internal tables. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.